Hi, it's time for another frat house story. Uh, as many of you know, I work as a resident director in a frat house. So, one of the stories that happened to me this year is I was on vacation for 1 week and I was pretty chill because someone was covering my house and I did not expect anything to happen like midterm time. But I get an email from my supervisor saying, Dear Anna, there is a head in the fridge in your house. A head in the fridge. After a moment of reading the email more closely, I realized it was the alligator head in the fridge. Like, I immediately texted the house manager and someone who I was in touch with and asked, like, what the hell is it doing there? Why do you have alligator in our house? And they said, oh, we just accidentally forgot to throw it away. Um, it was like leftovers, and it was absolutely legal. We have like all the documents that we need to buy this. I spent like 10 minutes googling: is it legal to have a dead alligator in your
Yes!
house in the US? Then I got a second email saying that someone was just hospitalized from the porch of my house or to the ambulance because of severe allergy. So my first reaction was it an allergy from eating alligator? No, they said. It was he just ate some nuts. Please guys, if any of you ever ate alligator, write in the comments, can you have allergy from alligator meat? This is a really important question to me that I have to figure out to be a better resident director.